Your Legos.
What a easy round.
Prince, why did you break it?
I do not break it.
Yeah.
You will break it.
No, somebody break it.
Who is it? Not me.
Factory! Guys, factory! No, before it.
Just factory. Because I'm fixing my things.
No, it's the wind. Not me.
Yours you.
Well, the wheel don't go so round and round.
I heard.
Eh, di tayo ginakita ni Joshua, J Secret.
Oops.
Sino ka?
I always got innocent all the time.
I got murdered this time.
Yeah! Kill somebody. And Kuya got dagan. So, murder si Joshua and Sheriff ni Kuya and innocent ako. No.
I'm not.
You passed the secret entrance.
At tayo na di Sheriff. Spam jumpers na.
Yeah. Yo! I'm spawn jumping. Trick shot. I'm lagging a little bit.
Ito.
Promise.
Control.
I kill it.
No, you didn't kill it.
I kill it.
It's still there. Dude, you almost killed me. Oh, there's the sheriff.
And
This is mine.
Okay, you got it?
Yes, I got it. Before that girl, just get it.
Yes, Kuya.
I almost kill you.
I'm going to do work.
I kill it. Come here, boy.
Hey, Kuya.
Kiss my feet.
I'm just going.
I'm lagging. I will kiss your feet.
Ay, right. Untog na. E di buy-buyag kanya na untog na. Please.
What are you shooting?
Hitting to the wall.
Bro, what?
Where did the players left?
Yo. I'm lagging.
I'm coming out of the sewers.
Oh, somebody is hacking the game.
Charge.
Bro, there's a girl right behind you.
Nothing there.
It's a bitch.
You come here. I want to kiss your feet.
Very good.
You got it.
Give it to me.
Don't hide my sword.
That some other girls in the shower.
Okay, put it back in here.
She's going to the ladder. No, that's not them. Bruh.
It's here.
Yeah, she's here outside.
Did I see her?
Yeah.
You're gonna die, bro, if you suck.
Don't worry, me and Joshua will gonna 1v1.
No, I will run.
But Joshua... Hey! The other girl follow me.
Should I shoot the girl?
Yeah. Right next to me.
Oh, I almost kill you in right there, please. Nah. Oh, right there. Finish her. Eh,
I got the gun, don't worry.
I'm lagging. Where is it? Come here. Come here.
Hey, that's me! You don't win.
Yes, I see. He said victory.
Kung victory na hindi ka na-win, tinan mo dyan sa picture.
See innocent wings.
See? Innocent toy win.
Then why they said? Then why I
I'm level
Just
3.
like me, just like me.
Then why I see he said victory?
I don't know.